First time that I did it, it kind of went wrong. We really freaked out, like what happened. And I think that reacted. So my face was red for the next 30. Hey you all, my name is Ananya Dalmia and for today's video I am going to be shaving my face. So a few weeks ago I posted this video where there was like this 4 to 5 second part in which I was shaving my face, and a lot of you DM'd me about like do I shave my face regularly and what are the results, do my hair grow back thicker, faster, and things like that, like your basic questions about shavings. So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how I shave my face, what all products do I do, and some of your most asked questions about shavings. So I will be answering all the questions along the video, so make sure to watch it till the end. And now let's just get into the video. So for the very first step, I will be removing my makeup. I am using these cotton pads from Miniso. Like Miniso cotton pads are like really good and they are really soft, so I love them. Okay, so I washed my face, and right after that I am going to go in with my aloe vera gel and not my moisturizer. Some people like to put moisturizer and then aloe vera gel. I just like to go in directly with my aloe vera gel. And for the razor I use this one. They are from Tinker. So I've already used one, like there were 3 of them. I've already used one and I feel they are for like 65-75. I guess I got it from Nykaa or maybe from Amazon. I don't really remember, but yes, it's for 65 or 75. And if I can find it, I will just link the price somewhere here. And yes, this is what I use. And yeah. So now I'll just go straight with a thick layer of aloe vera gel on my face. Okay, so you need to put on a thick layer of aloe vera gel, and then right after I'm going to go in with my razor. So I've already washed it. So you need to have a cotton pad with you. And the most important thing is to always go in a downward motion, and the angle of your brush, and the angle of your razor should always be this. Okay, so you should like hold it from here and then go like this. Okay, so so this is what has come out just from this portion, like. And putting aloe vera gel is so important because your skin need to have something to glide on. So the next question is, how often should we use one razor? So one razor you can use around 4 to 5 times and not more than that. Then hair growth. So obviously hair growth, it's completely normal. Your hair doesn't grow back faster, not thicker. There's nothing like that. It's completely normal. If you are a beginner, make sure to do it very light-handed and very slowly. You do not need to rush into this because the first time that I did it, it kind of went wrong because I guess I did my skincare wrong. Like I put on a face mist and then my aloe vera gel, and I think that reacted. So my face was red for the next 30 minutes, but it all went back to normal. But then that time I literally freaked out, like what happened? This is the first time I'm doing it, and inflammation happened. So I was really tensed back then, but then obviously I tried it again because I only did it on half of my face, and my half of my face was red and the other half was completely normal. So when I waited for the next 20 minutes, it wasn't cooling down or anything. So I was like, let's just do it on the other side as well. I don't know why I thought of that, but then I did it, and my this side it didn't react because I washed my whole face after that, and rubbed some ice over it, and also I went in straight with my aloe vera gel and not with my face mist. So I kind of like thought that it was because of the face mist. It might not be the reason. So I don't know, but I never tried it. So that is the reason that I do not put on anything before my aloe vera gel, because I feel like let's just play it safe and do not put anything extra skincare, because you never know what will react on your skin. So now answering your next question, this is not really a question, it's more like of a tip. So you should never shave on your pimples or acne marks. Like I have this one right now, so I'm not gonna like put a blade on it because it will react. So it's like very basic and very common, but I just still wanted to add this. And obviously as like a beginner you have a lot of questions, but trust me, when you like get in the process of shaving your face, then your skincare products and your makeup, it's magical and your base look flawless, your skin looks good. So it's a win-win. And there's nothing wrong with shaving your face. Trust me, if you're thinking about shaving your face, just do it, girl. So now I'm going to be going in with my forehead, and the most difficult part here is this area, because I can never really get the hang like how to shave in hair. They are like small mini razors for like the eyebrows. So if you have that, you can do this area as well with that, because I really cannot do this area. So the last time that I did it, I almost like I did cut some of the hair from this side. So yeah, just do it very carefully. Also, I've never really shaved my eyebrows with razor, because I'm 110% sure that I'm gonna like shave it off completely. So I never do that. Okay, so I'm all done shaving my face, and right after this, for the last question, I guess I have no question. Like those were all the questions that I wanted to tell you guys. Hey guys, I'm so sorry to interrupt the video like this, but I was actually editing right now and I kind of realized that I forgot to answer this one question as to how often do I shave my face. So, first of all, everybody's hair growth is different. So, for me personally, I like to do it after every 2 to 3 weeks. So, obviously, it's never fixed. I do it whenever I feel like I need it. So, just do it whenever you feel like it, because you know your skin best. And just know that everybody's hair growth is different and everybody's skin is different. So yeah, now enjoy the video. Thanks. Right after this, I will just go wash my face and I'll come see you guys. And also for this razor, you need to sanitize it, then wash it, and then keep it. Okay, so I washed my face with just water, and then I'm going to rub some ice on my skin just to calm it down. Just a little bit, like just one round all over my face. That's it. So that is it after rubbing the eyes, and then I'm going to go in again with my aloe vera gel and apply it all over my skin. So that is it. I like to stop right here, and for my moisturizer I will apply it after like 10 to 15 minutes. I'll just let my skin calm down for now, and if you have any other questions, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. I'll make sure to answer them. And yeah, that is it for the videos. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.